Today we have Samsung Galaxy A32 4G model and customer facing issue about the charging. So I tried already new battery, but the charging still not working. So we have to try to change the charging port. Let's try together. Yeah, first of all, open the back frame. Take the battery flex off, then the LCD flex and the flex from the bottom part. We can try attach them again. Let's see if any showing any life. It turns on. But not charging. So it is confirmed that it is the charging issue. Look, let's take all the flexes off and change the port. You take the damaged port off and put the new one. Make sure it's A32 4G port. 4G and 5G, two different models and different charging ports. This touch sensor, and this is antenna. Now attach LCD and charging flexes back. The battery on. Let's try to charge it. Yes, it's working. Some rare cases happen. If battery not charging, it's a battery issue. But if battery not getting the power, it's definitely the charging port. In some cases it happen. Battery getting the power, but not charging. So put the back frame Put all the screws back and good to go. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much.